You will add interactive objects when developing screens requiring operator input and test these screens to verify functionality. You will create local message files when you want to display key application information to operators. You will create a FactoryTalk View SE client when you need to test or run your application. In this lesson, you will learn how to add interactive objects to a graphic display, create a local message file and a local message display object, test graphic displays, and run a FactoryTalk View SE application. Here is a list of topics in the lesson. It is recommended you view the topics in the suggested order. Before moving ahead, make sure you have completed the prerequisite lessons listed on the screen.